Well, this is my plane. I built it long time ago, and using this GT turbo motor, I will go on quick note. I will definitely go through the specs using Spektrum AR620, which is 6-channel radio. Sorry, this one using Hitec servos HS311, and here I'm using smaller 9-gram or 10-12-gram servos. It's a metal gear solid. I flew it well. It was a little tail heavy because I was wondering that the balance is somewhere here, so I will have to definitely move the battery backwards aft, and then it will be okay. It flew well. So here's the specs. I'm using 11x5 prop, 5x5, 11 inches of prop, 5-inch degrees of pitch. I'm getting from this. It's using 50 amp of CPL, bought from Hobby Lobby obviously. And this Gens is 2600 milliamp hours of battery, which is kind of 4S battery using with this one setup. And this one flew well, satisfactory. It's a big plane. It's a little dihedral. Use this, and using these as a wing struts to give it more balance, using temporary tapes. Give it a see how it does perform in air. So everything went well. Second flight going well.